Hello guys, nandito naman tayo sa another episode, but this one is separate from the tutorial that I learned, no? Na yung course na ginawa ko. So, my background in PHP, and then I installed Django. Ano yung Django? Django is a high-level web framework, mga web frameworks sa Python, based on Python. So, mayroong Blast, Battle, Pyramids, Turbo Gears, Falcon, etc. etc. But Django, ito yung recommended. So this is the first time nga na nag-download ako nito. And you know what? I think it's very interesting na web framework. Aside from PHP, my background in PHP, 'di ba, yung ganyan. Ito sa Python, I will show you. So ginawa ko ganito. So at least I'll document this episode, no? Episode nung pag-install ko. This is the first time installing. So what I did, ito yung ginawa ko, oh. So ginawa ko, pumunta ako sa documents, gumawa ko ng folder para doon ako mag-install ng directory. So unang-una, pag mag-install, no need na to go to a website tapos download. Yan, 'di ba, mag-download. So ang ginawa ko is to do this, no? Sinunod ko lang to, type pip install tapos yung latest na version 3.0.7. So Django. So automatic niyan pag install, ma-install yan kung meron ka ng Python, ha? Please understand that you should have Python version 3.8. Ito latest na version 3.8.3. So kailangan version 3. Kasi yung in-install ko, ito yung latest version din, 3.0.7. And then so mag-download siya. It's only less than 8 megabytes, no? Tapos mag-install siya ng ito additional, yan, at saka yan. So pagkatapos it will say successfully installed Django, etc. etc. So to test kung okay na yung system mo, what you need to do is to type python-m sa sa command prompt ng Windows, no? So I'm doing this sa Windows, guys, ha. Please be guided. I'm not doing this on Linux or Mac. So type python-m Django, then dash version. So it will show up yung version mo. And then I go to my documents. And then I create a folder, no? So what I did, pwede sa command line, make directory, or pwede rin sa folder, create ka new folder. But kung sa command prompt, pwede lang type md tapos name ng folder. So ginawa ko yan, md Django. Katapos niyan, I make dir, so it will show up all the directory, no? It will show up all the folders. So yan, Django, mga Python projects. Then I'll go to Django cd, change directory, diba? Change directory cd. So if you're familiar with commands ng Windows prompt, and then ginawa ko, I type this. So I followed a simple tutorial dito. Ito. Let's go to Django, no? Mayroon siyang short tutorial how to write your first Django app. You take the tutorial, and here, ito na yung tutorial ko. And what's interesting, yan ang tinype ko dito, my first site. So I write my first site as Clifford X, my name. And then mayroong mga notes, very, very important. You cannot name your names like Django or test kasi magka-problema. And then also, ito yun, if you are into developing website, di ba, yung live production, no? Usually, bar, www, tapos doon mo nilagay yung mga files, PHP, HTML. But dito, this is a program, it is security na dapat wag doon ilagay. So, dapat outside of the public kasi there is a tendency na as a security standpoint, it's not a good practice. So it should be resided home / my code. So after that, ito yung lumabas, no? Dito, ito yan. Yan ang mga lumabas na file. Django Django and manage.py and my name the folder, tapos itong 5. Yan. And then I check what's inside. Example ng settings.php. I'm sorry. Settings.py or Python. Search for Python, no? Kasi yung sa PHP, yung familiar with PHP, yan. Dali ha. Yan, no? Diba? Yan ang code ng PHP. But this one, very familiar. Yung training natin previously, triple double quotes. Ito is a comment. Sa PHP naman, it's pound sign. You can write a lot of pound sign, ganyan. So ito pwede na yan, double quotes. And then, kung titingnan natin, this is the default. Tsaka mag-create siyang auto-generate ng secret key, which is good. Ito base dir para doon sa sa side, ganyan-ganyan. And then, very familiar if you are developing PHP, right? No? Ito, mga allowed host, lagyan mo ng IP address or domain. Installed apps, ito, authentication, admin, sessions, messages. Tsaka ito, kasi ang Django, it's called a, anong tawag doon? Battle ready, or mayroong nabasa ko dito. Django is a batteries included philosophy. Ibig sabihin, yung mga common functionality niya, for example, yung username, login, authentication, yung mga sessions, libraries, mga scheme, database, yun, URL routing, yan, are included in the Django framework. Maganda. So I think I'm excited to develop web applications using Django from now on. More than 4 years ago, I stopped na developing because I focus on real estate. But then bumalik ako dito, and then I was excited to find out that Django, I think I can grasp, makukuha ko to, and I can understand this easily. Just have to take time to study, take time to read the manuals and samples. Okay, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned from this video. Try Django, the latest version, and then of course you have installed Python, the latest version, and also have those modules, plugins. Alright?